Hello, hi everybody. Myself Alavat Ramesh. Today we will discuss about especially the school level. What are the chemistry competitive exams? Like if suppose the any students are studying in sixth class, seventh and eighth, ninth, tenth, or inter first year and second year. So what are the national level and international level chemistry Olympiad exams to develop their skills, especially in chemistry subject and experimental and theoretical. So now we can see the school level chemistry Olympiad. Nowadays India they have the international chemistry Olympiad exams. Then Indian Science Chemistry Olympiad exam. American Chemical Society of they're conducting National Week Chemistry Olympiad exams. So what are the various competitive exams especially in chemistry? In this class today we will discuss about chemistry Olympiad exams. Now we can see the first one, the competitive chemistry exams in school levels. First one is the International Chemistry Olympiad exam. Second one is the Chemical Education Foundation National UB in the Chemistry Challenge. They are also conducting some few exams to make the children for interesting in chemistry subject. And next one, Chemagination, that is the one exam they are going to conducting. And fourth one, Chemico, they are also conducting exam. This is the one type of competitive exam for chemistry. And fifth one is the International Science and Engineering Fair. They are also conducting exam. And this is that sixth one, National Science Bowl like chemistry, one of the competitive exam. And seventh one is Science Olympiad Chemistry events. They will conduct in school level, district level. And Junior Science and Humanities Symposium. And ninth one, National Chemistry Week contest by American Chemical Society ACS. And 10th one, American Chemical Society High School Chemistry Olympiad exams they are conducting. And then you can see the 11th one, US National Chemistry Olympiad, Local Chemistry Olympiad exam, National Chemistry Olympiad exam, and study map camp they are having. And then after finals they will conduct the International Chemistry Olympiad exam. And 12th one is the Next Generation Science Standards Disciplinary Core Ideas. And 13th one, Indian National Chemistry Olympiad National Standard Exam in Chemistry. 15th one, Indian Association of Chemistry Teachers. They have conducting few competitive exams in chemistry. And International Chemistry Quiz, Hindustan Olympiad Chemistry, National Level Science Talent Search Exams, National Standard Exams in Junior Scientific, National Science Olympiad Exam NSO, and Dr. K.V. Rao Scientific Society in Hyderabad, and B.M. Birla Science Prize in Chemistry. They are also conducting few exams and other competitive exams for enhance their skills in especially chemistry in school level children. Then you can see the 23, A.V. Ramarao Research Foundation, Telangana Academy of Science, Indian Institute of Chemical Engineers, Society of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Association of Biotechnology and Pharmacy, State Level Chemistry Olympiad, Indian Chemical Council. So these 29 competitive exams, especially in chemistry, they are conducting various patterns and various periods in different times to develop the school level children's to make the curiosity towards the chemistry subject. Now we can see the first one, Indian National Chemistry Olympiad exam. So this is the one renowned organization for high school students to participate interest in the chemistry. They have a chance to exhibit expansional talent at such a great level to HBCSE organizing in jointly with the Indian Association of Chemistry Teachers and conducting in its annual. The Olympiad Indian National Chemistry Olympiad is a great platform for young scientists to check their potential against all the other children in the country, establishing themselves in all the respect. Now you can see that many exams, especially in these International Chemistry Olympiad exams, what are the important dates for the 2020 years already notification is came. So who are the interested students? They need to participate here. The October 6th 2025 registrations already is open, and February, the March they will conduct the local exam, then April month national exam, and June 26th for the study camp, then July they have the final exam, International Chemistry Olympiad exam. Then you can see that eligibility criteria for the Indian National Science Chemistry Olympiad. So students are need to fulfill their following age limit they are giving here, and nationality, academic status, and exemption for the period exams, what the passing of these, and exam patterns and syllabus also we will discuss here. You can see here especially that Indian National Chemistry Olympiad exam is conducted by the Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education. This is Bombay. They are going to conducting Indian National Chemistry Olympiad exam 2025. So once the candidates are shortlisted, they will go by for exam, and the application fee is 300. The application mode is online. So this is such a beautiful for especially the chemistry interested students. They need to attend this exam for Homi Bhabha Atomic Center. They are conducting this exam. Then you can see the next one. This having the program 4 tiers. Tiers 1 is the local chemistry Olympiad exam they will conduct, and second one is the national chemistry Olympiad exam they will conduct. Then the third is the study camp they will conduct in chemistry Olympiad, and final step is the international chemistry Olympiad exam they will conduct. So these are the 4 tiers to select the students for the international chemistry Olympiad exam. Suppose the students from the school level, what are the core concepts they need to develop, especially in chemistry subject. So chemistry, the subject is divided into the physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, and organic chemistry. Especially in the foundation, the fundamental concept is basic concept, the concentration terms, molarity, molality, and limiting reagents, and chemical reaction and equations are foundational. These are the very important to develop the students for the basic topics, and atomic structure is one of the basic topics in especially in chemistry, and chemical bonding, the valency bond theory, molecular orbital theory. These the basics fundamental topics as a chemistry student they need to develop. Then physical chemistry, thermodynamic and thermochemistry, equilibrium, redox reaction, and electrochemistry. Then coming to that solution topics, and especially in inorganic chemistry, periodic table, P, D, and F block elements, and coordination compounds. Organic chemistry, for the general organic chemistry, what is resonance, what is IPX-NAM, isomerism, and hyperconjugation, inductive and electromeric effect. Hydrocarbons, functional groups like alcohol, phenols, ether, aldehyde, ketones, carboxylic acids, they are frequently tested. Then this kind of basic concept are compulsory for preparing of competitive exam. Now you can see here the next topic is, suppose the students are need to develop the high school level core concept, especially in chemistry. So what is the core concept of high school level chemistry? You can see here matters and interaction, chemical principle, and chemistry concept, matters, states of matter, solution, periodic table. Next one you can see the energy. So you can see the thermodynamic energy, thermodynamic chemistry, equilibrium. Next one is you can see these all are the comes under energy. Next, waves and their application in technology in information transfer. So chemistry concept, atomic structure, quantum chemistry, electromagnetic radiation spectrum, and quantitative analysis in Beer's law. Next you can see the motions and stability, force and interaction. Especially the people, the students need to develop these concepts are very important. Chemistry concept, periodicity and atomic structure, bonding and intermolecular force, ionic bond, covalent bond, molecular structure, types of chemical reaction, kinetics, electrochemistry, material like properties explained by the molecular structure, and chemical engineering. So these are the few important topics they need to develop for who are preparing for the competitive exam. So exam pattern and syllabus are given here. International Chemistry Olympiad exam. Multiple choice question, especially here. You can see here, this is the multiple choice question. 80 questions they will ask you, and the same time they have the negative marking answers. So you took care of these things. And the language is both Hindi and English as you perform preference language. Now, what are the main topics or you need to prepare for the International Chemistry Olympiad exam, especially the electronic configuration atoms and ions, periodic trends and main group element, physical properties of element, chemical bonding and molecular structure. And you can see here inorganic, especially that in nomenclature of organic, inorganic compounds, chemical calculation, isotopes, natural cycles like chemistry, S block, P block and D block elements already we discussed in earlier what developed, and organic chemistry, alkynes, alkyne, alkenes and aromatic, halogenated hydrocarbon, alcohol, phenols and ether, and carbyl compounds, carboxylic acid and its derivative, nitrogen, biomolecules like carbohydrates, proteins, lipids and nucleic acids. Then physical chemistry, equilibrium, chemical equilibrium and ionic equilibrium, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics and thermodynamic first and second law and phase equilibrium. Now coming to the biochemistry. Biochemistry also is one of the part of, especially in chemistry, the amino acids and peptides, proteins and lipids, enzymes, carbohydrates, respiration of photosynthesis and nucleic acid and protein synthesis. These are the main topics for the biochemistry. Now coming to that here, especially in experimental chemistry. So experimental chemistry, you need to understand the organic concept like what is inorganic and organic compounds and synthesis pattern, and qualitative analysis of organic and inorganic compounds and basic laboratory techniques and measurements. This is the experimental chemistry knowledge also is need to prepare for the International Chemistry Olympiad exam. Now coming to that, you can see the registration process. The registration process of International Chemistry Olympiad generally involves in the following step. So address of official website is surface of the website Homi Bhabha Atomic Research Institute, and the website got it into the Olympiad section, and the find the upcoming event selection and the same from it. And you can see the fill out the registration form. All the personal and academic details must be correctly, and the address and online application forms. This formation include and date of birth and for science academic portion. So these are the registration process for who are writing for the International Chemistry Olympiad, or second one is the Indian National Chemistry Olympiad exam. And already we discussed in the first slide, second slides, various chemistry competitive exams. So these are the patterns to understand, and especially in India, our exam center is a exam center for National Chemistry Olympiad exams and International Chemistry Olympiad exam. Especially here is Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Ranchi, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Chandigarh and Chennai, Delhi, Guwahati, and especially in Telugu state, Bombay and Hyderabad is having the center for International Chemistry Olympiad exam. Bombay, Jaipur and Kochi and Calcutta, Kota, Lucknow, Nagpur and Patna. These are the especially the Indian International Chemistry Olympiad exam centers. Okay, and these are the exam centers for the writing of International Chemistry Olympiad exam. So next we'll coming to that, this if you supposed to prepare for this International Chemistry Olympiad exam, the same syllabus it is also useful for the children who are preparing specially for like NEET exams and JEE mains and advanced exam. So the same portions are covered in the NEET and JEE mains and advanced exam. So and you can understand this structure to how this electronic configuration what is proton, what is electron, what is